Strange. According to intel, this building should be abandoned. Give me a few minutes to find out whether these guys belong to Kimosane's militia or if they're with the resistance. Proceed as briefed, but remain unidentified. Do not kill anyone until we know who we're dealing with.
Okay.
Dealing with. We cannot. Welcome to lovely Mogadishu. There seem to be ongoing battles throughout the entire sector. So be careful. Strange. According to intel, this building should be abandoned. Give me a few minutes to find out whether these guys belong to Kimosane's militia or if they're with the resistance. Proceed as briefed, but remain unidentified. Do not kill anyone until we know who we're dealing with.
Okay.
Welcome to lovely Mogadishu. There seem to be ongoing battles throughout the entire sector. So be careful. Strange. According to intel, this building should be abandoned. Give me a few minutes to find out whether these guys belong to Kimosane's militia or if they're with the resistance. Proceed as briefed, but remain unidentified. Do not kill anyone until we know who we're dealing with.
Okay. To sneak around these guys if there's no viable cover between the shelves.
However, there's a high voltage socket in the room next to the door. Use it to recharge your stealth suit's energy. Use the stealth feature of your suit to sneak around the guards.
What the hell was that? Maybe not. Is someone moving around out there? Guess it's nothing. Forget it. There's nothing.
The guy ahead is blocking the passage. You should lure him away from his position. Shoot an attractor bolt at the scorpion graffiti in the room behind him. I'll unlock the attractor bolts now. Shoot an attractor bolt at the scorpion graffiti in the room behind him. I'll unlock the attractor bolts now. Attractor bolt to
Whoa! They got started to see things.
Myra, the guy ahead is blocking the passage. You should lure him away from his position. Shoot an attractor bolt at the scorpion graffiti in the room behind him. I'll unlock the attractor bolts now.
Let's deal with this. Forget it. There's nothing. Hello? Let's deal with this.
Excellent. The attractor will lure him away from his position, allowing you to pass by unnoticed. Okay, we got it figured out. These guys belong to Kimosane's militia. It appears as if they use this building as a hidden depot. I will engage the nano claws of your suit now. Sneak up on that next guy and headlock him.
Okay.
Make sure you approach him silently, so he doesn't hear your footsteps. Once you have headlocked an enemy, you can either use your nano claws or simply break his neck. Both kill methods are totally silent, but using your nano claws injects Hades nanites into the enemy's veins. Once injected, the nanites render a dead body invisible, hiding a corpse from his watchful comrades for hours.
That saves me the hassle of hiding dead bodies.
Exactly. Proceed to the next door now. The next guy is too far away to sneak up on him silently. Time to test out your new nanobolts. Unlocking them now. No matter where you hit an enemy, the shock caused by the nanobolts will always kill him instantly. And, just like using your claws, the injected nanites launch a biomechanical process which renders a dead body invisible for hours.
Very useful. I could use more of these.
Each nanobolt costs as much as an Italian sports car. You are limited to a few bolts per mission.
The ISA will buy me an Italian sports car for each bolt I don't use, right?
Sure, Myra. Sure. Anyway, I guess that was a little more advice than you actually needed. I'll let you go ahead on your own. Use whatever weapons and tactics you consider appropriate and proceed as briefed.
Okay.
Hey, what the?
madaxweyne inuu ka gedsan yahay sheekooyinka hore loo qori jiray.
dhaliilo waa leeyahay taa lasku haysto.
Careful!
The entrance to the sewer system is right beneath you.
What's up with these UN guys? I thought all troops have been withdrawn from this sector.
I heard there was a platoon missing in action. There's nothing we can do for them at this point. They're on their own.
What happened to that whole no man left behind thing?
Hey, it's my job to make sure that no woman is left behind. Please proceed as briefed.
ما دحيا الدري كلا قيدي قردي وحو دوراه وقرية ضيحة ساري أفريكان قديب يد الحمو ديل اليد هايسان دمك وكبهريو إلهي كلا قدوغو الميغة قلبي داينين كنا دلالين أمتي عينتان هاي ترسو دانا دا قبيلة عينتان دحر كبيريني كوي هوي ويدهتاي كاتبونيسي
I'm in the yard now. There's a small crowd here. Sounds like someone's giving a speech.
Make sure you remain unnoticed, since you won't stand a chance against a wild bunch of Chemosane's mercenaries. Maybe you should try to cause some confusion to lure them away from the yard.
Any idea?
Let me check. There's a transformer substation a stone's throw away from your position.
I'll check it out.
Someone moving around out here? Looks like I'm being overcautious.
أنا أدوك تروح لما قلبوا تجالاي تبردوا عدحنا أنت عندي بسيجني بغير كندرني يتركه في العبادة وأنا علي دعوة أنا بوشرا يدعى كنت القافة تبغيني يا فلان تبغيني يا فلان هذا في شيء دعنا كنا دعوا مرتيا كده يا بارجي دوكنا فلا زمان وهو تنبينا هيا شد ما دحيا سري كلا قيدي تردي وحدوراه وقرية ضيحة ساري أفريكان قديب يد الحمو ديل اليد
Myra, there's no way you can beat these mercenaries.
Is someone moving around out there?
أمتي عينتان هاي ترسو دانا دا قبيلة عينتان دحر كبيريني كوي هوي ويدهتاي كاتبونيسي أنا أدوك تروح لما قلبوا تجالاي تبردوا عدحنا أنت عندي بسيجني بغير كندرني يتركه في العبادة وأنا علي دعوة أنا بوشرا يدعى كنت القافة تبغيني يا فلان تبغيني يا فلان هذا في شيء دعنا كنا دعوا مرتيا كده يا بارجي دوكنا فلا زمان وهو تنبينا هيا شد ما دحيا الدري كلا قيدي تردي وحدوراه وقرية ضيحة ساري أفريكان قديب يد الحمو ديل اليد هايسان دمك وكبهريو إلهي كلا قدوغو الميغة قلبي داينين كنا دلالين أمتي عينتان هاي ترسو بيني أنا دا قليلا عينتان دحر كبيريني
Okay, I cut off the auxiliary power supply.
That should cause some confusion.
Lawson, do you copy?
Loud and clear.
There's got to be some other U.S. or UN unit in here.